Hello everyone, wishing you all a very happy new year. Hope this year brings great health and gives strength to keto. Presenting to you a healthy yet low carb and low calorie mouth-watering dessert, which is a fusion of an old Indian staple with Western form. Here is Viridian Magic Cake or Bottle Gourd No Bake Cake. Ingredients are bottle gourd, cream, cream cheese, coarse ground almonds, sweetener, butter, and green food color. Deskin or peel the bottle gourd. Remove the excess pulp and seeds of bottle gourd, which can be used somewhere else like soups. Now grate the bottle gourd with fine grater as I am doing and squeeze out the excess water. Now let's start cooking process. Add butter in the hot pan. Add grated and squeezed out bottle gourd and fry for 3 to 4 minutes. Keep stirring in between so that it doesn't stick to the pan. Add cream and continue stirring. Let the mixture cook for 5 to 7 minutes or till it reaches desired consistency or till 80% of moisture gets evaporated. It should not be too dry either. Add coarse ground almonds and sweetener. Mix it well and cook for 1 to 2 minutes. This is almost ready. Now separate 2 to 3 tablespoons of mixture for cream cheese stuffing. Add green food color in the remaining mixture. Give it a good mix and our cooking is done. You may take any molds or ramekins for setting the mixture. Line a parchment paper on the bottom of the ramekin and butter the sides of the ramekins so that it comes out easily while demolding. Take 2 tablespoons of this mixture and compress it in the ramekins using spoon. And after that refrigerate for 10 minutes. Meanwhile, we will be preparing our cream cheese stuffing. The mixture which we took out earlier mix with cream cheese and sweetener. Use refrigerated cream cheese and make sure that this mixture is not too runny. Feel free to add few drops of vanilla essence for enticing aroma. Add cream cheese stuffing into the refrigerated ramekins as a second layer. Now spread it evenly and compress it, leaving space for the upcoming third layer and refrigerate for another 10 minutes. Now let's pour in the final layer. Set it, compress it gently and then refrigerate for at least 1 hour. Feel free to experiment with number of layers, thickness and colors. After 1 hour, run the knife along the edges very carefully to loosen it up. Let's remove our no-bake mini cake from ramekins. Turn it upside down to remove the cake. Tap it gently and the cake slides out easily. Remove the parchment paper. Decorate the cake with dark chocolate chips and almond flakes. Friends, I want to thank you for your wonderful encouragement, support, likes, subscriptions and discussions for Keto Twist on YouTube, Reddit and Instagram. I hope to continue receiving your love and guidance in this year too. Hope you enjoyed this beautiful and healthy cake. Thanks for watching.